Hello, I wanted to make this video for you so that you can get a sense of what happens when you place a referral or fill out a referral. What happens is it populates to this Google spreadsheet, and up here you can see the questions that you answer, and here's where they populate for each question. Now I've cropped this video to protect identities, but as you can see here, I really want you to check this one out. This is for student management only, and this is where we enter the consequences for the situation that comes up or the referral that's filled out. And this is where we document whether it was entered in student comments or not. As the year went on last year, about halfway through third quarter, we built the system in to make sure that every referral is documented, every consequence is documented in student comments. So if you ever want to find out what happened to a referral, you can just go look in student comments. But I want to show you this because if you look into this consequence column, if it is red, it means we haven't got to it yet. And sometimes there are some red things like this, and usually that means a student ended up either dropping out or going to another school and we weren't able to follow up with them. They weren't here any longer. This is third quarters. But a lot of work is done right here in this area. The consequence, usually that represents a meeting with the students. So one of the administrators or Jacqueline will call down the student and we'll meet with them and assess the situation and then issue consequences based on what we found. And that's a lot of time, and I got to sing the praises of Jacqueline. She does a phenomenal job meeting with a lot of the students on the lower level things that come in. And so I show you this just to show you that you're never ignored. If you enter a referral, it'll always be addressed, and we're pretty diligent about that. We want to make sure that when you need help and you need support that we're quick to follow up on that and follow through with that.